The Yoshino cherry trees along the tidal basin will hit their peak between April 11th and 14th. That's the last weekend of the National Cherry Blossom Festival. Peak bloom typically comes around April 4th. Over the past 5 years, the Park Service's initial prediction was right twice, including last year. What about your predictions?
I don't know. We were just talking that we have the snow that's on the way later in the week. And, in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we could be looking at temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. So a lot of change during this month. Fingers crossed.
But no change for the better
quite
yet.
Not for the next few days. This is an important forecast for everyone to listen to here. High temperature today made it up to 36 degrees. Our average for this time of year, 51, so not even close to that. Outside we go. It's 34 at Reagan National. We have just a few light showers out there. A record for today, 79. Setback, well, I'm a little bit delayed here. 34 degrees. Wind chill now at 25 degrees. Looking at a different monitor with the delay. 28 in Gaithersburg, 32 in Frederick, 31 in Hagerstown. Andrews now at 31 degrees. And we are looking at that precipitation finally moving on off toward the north and east. A little bit of a break just off to the west of us, I-81. We are going to look for things to gradually improve later on tonight. Just a little bit of light rain, a little bit of light fog, but nothing that's going to cause any tremendous travel delays. So tomorrow morning, it looks okay with temperatures well above freezing. Still have that winter weather advisory. It hangs on until 10 o'clock tonight. Would not be surprised. National Weather Service cuts this down a little bit more, if not cancels it a little bit early. This is our forecast overnight. Temperatures will be in the middle to upper 30s. Waking up tomorrow morning just around 40 degrees, and we'll keep temperatures on the rebound, at least for the day tomorrow. But then the changes arrive late day. This is the winter storm watch, 7 o'clock tomorrow night until 7 o'clock Thursday morning. It probably won't last a full 24 hours. And this area that you see shaded in blue, everyone will likely upgrade to a winter storm warning by this time tomorrow night. That means that the snow likely be imminent. This is what we have in terms of the temperatures. The warmer temperatures trying to build in from the south. That warm front will finally lift overhead later on tonight. That's going to keep our temperatures above average for the day tomorrow. But then a cold front just off to the west of us. That cold front, that's what's going to move our way. That's what's going to bring us the nasty, nasty wintry weather late tomorrow night into early Thursday morning, along with an area of low pressure. Let's show you the computer-generated map. This is our projected snowfall map in terms of when it's expected to arrive. Rain, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning for the rush hour commute. As we move through the day, it stays rain, 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon for the drive time home. And then as we move into the late night hours tomorrow night, look what happens, that changeover from rain to sleet to snow. And by early Thursday, we're talking moderate to heavy snow across Montgomery County, the district, off to the north of us, Aberdeen and Baltimore. And then finally, all this begins to lift on out of here by the end of the day. Here's our projected snowfall total map. I'll step out of the way so you can get a good close look at it, around 3 to 7 inches. Keep in mind, this is our first jab. Higher amounts located along the border of Pennsylvania and Maryland. Highs tomorrow, though, around 50 degrees. Let's end this on a positive note. Spring ahead, 1 hour. Daylight saving time begins Sunday. We'll see temperatures then in the upper 40s.
Thank you, Steve. Looks like our local teams